Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a YouTube channel where I break down the trading industry in the simplest form where you will need to understand it. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a new trader, if you have been trading for some time, and if you are trying to improve your skills, you are at the right place, I can guarantee you. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the forex strategy that is going to change the way you see the forex market, you understand? Now, I've had so many people, so many mentors or big traders say this thing. They'll be like, if you want to be profitable, you need to come to my Telegram channel or buy my course or do this or do that. And when you go into their course, they'll start telling you things that are really complicated. And if there is a simplest way to put it, they will not put it that simplest way. They're going to make it very long and confusing for you to understand. Then you end up losing a lot of money before you end up understanding it. If you should ask these big forex traders, how were they able to amount to the level of profitability that they are operating in right now? They wouldn't tell you it's because they bought or this or that. They will hide it from you. The thing is, the best way to learn forex trading is this, and that is what I'm going to explain to you. The best way to learn forex trading is being in the market almost every time being in the market and looking at recurring patterns. That is just the best way. And I'm going to show you some recurring patterns in few pairs to make you understand and see the forex market in a different way. I might not be able to put everything down in this video, but I will make it in a way that you'll be able to understand it and see it in a very way that is going to benefit you. So in today's video, please, I'll be explaining the strategy that will change the way you see the forex market. And before I go into this video, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, so whenever I post a video, you will be the first person to see it and watch and improve your forex knowledge. So first thing first is, when trading the forex market, what are the things you need to consider? What are the things you need to consider? Firstly, you have to consider the higher time frames. You have to consider, no matter what you are trading, whether it's GBP USD, you are trading AUD USD, you are trading USD CHF or USD CAD or gold or BTC USD, you need to consider the higher time frames. And the higher time frame consists of the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame. These are the higher time frames that I will ask you to use, because it can be very easy for big traders to manipulate the smaller time frame. They can manipulate the 4-hour time frame, yes, it's possible. It's very hard for them to manipulate the daily time frame, but it's almost impossible for them to manipulate the weekly time frame. So if you are working hand in hand with the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4-hour time frame, it's very simple, just like telling a child to read one ABCD. It's very simple for them to manipulate the 30 minutes time frame. That is how simple it is for you to say A, B, C, D to Z. That is how easy it is for them to manipulate the 30 minutes time frame. But if you are working hand in hand with the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and the 30 minutes time frame, it will be very good for you to understand how and where is the price heading to. So with that being said, let's go into the chart and see what I am talking about. Okay, here now we are in Euro USD. Okay, let me go to the weekly time frame in Euro USD. Now Euro USD, if you look at here, the trend in Euro USD is not showing an uptrend or a downtrend. It's not showing an uptrend or a downtrend. So it's just giving us a symmetrical triangle. It's just giving a symmetrical triangle. Okay, look at this. That is on the weekly time frame. And mind, what's a symmetrical triangle? As you can go and browse about it, a symmetrical triangle. I want to make this video very short and simple, so that it won't complicate anybody, so that it's going to be very understandable. I don't want to make it 1 hour or 30 minutes. I want to make it lesser than 15 or 20 minutes, so that you guys can understand it and have more time to analyze the market and meditate on it. You understand me? So First is the market is in the weekly time frame. It's giving us the size, the shape of a symmetrical triangle. Now I've seen that the price hits the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. Then on the weekly time frame, we'll go down to the daily time frame. So you can take a look at this too. It hits the resistance of the daily time frame, formed another block and start coming down. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Same thing happened, guys. So what we'll be doing here is this. We'll draw a trend line. Once you have seen the weekly time frame trend line, that it's in a symmetrical triangle, we'll also go and look for a trend line in the daily time frame supporting a sell, because since it has hit the resistance, we're looking for a sell. Mind you, the support and resistance are very powerful tools in the weekly time frame. I know I've heard somebody be like, the support and resistance is a useless strategy. It's not a useless strategy. It's a very useful strategy, but it works very, very well. It works very, very powerful in the weekly and the daily time frame. You can't be using support and resistance in the 30 minutes time frame, or in the 15 minutes, or in the 1 hour, or the 2 hour, and you expect to make money from it. It's not possible. Support and resistance in the 4 hour time frame, it's almost nasty. It's almost impossible to make profits from the support and resistance of 4 hour time frame. But you see the weekly and the daily, even the monthly, there is a high chance of you making high profit. You understand me? So the weekly is saying a symmetrical triangle, and the price has just hit the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. This is the resistance, and this is the support. So we'll go to the daily time frame and look for a trend that supports it. So the trend is still visible. A symmetrical triangle is still visible. You understand me? It's still very, very visible. If you take a look at this too, you will see the daily time frame. It might not be showing a symmetrical triangle, but it's showing the support and resistance, which even indicates that the price just hit the support, the resistance of the daily time frame. Now I've seen it's hitting resistance, but different forms. We are not looking for different shapes. We're not looking for the same shapes. We are looking for a conference that will support if the price will go down or if it will go up. Right now, the price is showing that it will come down because it has hit the resistance of the symmetrical triangle on the weekly. It has hit the resistance of the trend in the daily time frame. Now we'll go to the 4 hour time frame and look for same thing. Now if you look at these two, my medicine looks lots of lines here. You feel like I'm drawing crazy lines, but it's very, very important. Now if you take a look at this, you see that the 4 hour time frame is also showing us 4 hour time frame is also showing us a downtrend, and it's even about to hit the resistance of the 4 hour time frame. Now once the resistance of the 4 hour time frame gets hit, we can go down to the 30 minutes time frame and look for an entry. We can go to the 30 minutes time frame and look for an entry. Once we see a high forms right now and other block forms, we can take a sell down even break this resistance, this support right here. Definitely it will, because it's currently in a downtrend. Take a look at this. The weekly says downtrend. Weekly says downtrend. Daily says downtrend. 4 hours says downtrend. 30 minutes saying downtrend. This is not what I'm manipulating myself. I'm trying to explain something to you. Some people might be like, no. It's in an uptrend. 30 minutes is saying uptrend. Forget about what daily and weekly are saying. It's a lie. You must respect the weekly and the daily before you even think of respecting the 4 hour. The 4 hour is just like a boy to the daily and the weekly. You must respect the daily and the weekly for it to be able to make profit in the market. If the daily is showing you sell, weekly is showing you sell, 4 hour is showing you buy, wait until the 4 hour starts showing you sell. Then you go to the 30 minutes and wait for other confirmation. Then you enter for sell. Simple as that. Trading is very simple. Let us not complicate this trading is something. You understand? So now we have seen this. This is a pattern in the market right now. Let me go to another pair again. Okay, let me go to GBP USD. I'll add also NZD USD. No, you don't have to trade all the pairs in the market for you to be able to make money from it. No, You have to understand that every pair has a particular pattern and you have to master it. This trend line I'm showing you now is just the foundation. It's just the foundation of everything you need to know. But there are other little concepts that you need to understand before you be able to say, okay, it has hit the resistance. I need to wait for something else to form. I need to wait for this to come out before I'll be able to say I am taking a trade. You don't just take a trade off of resistance or support, no. Although it's the foundation of it will surely drop. But other little concepts, other little confluences will give you a confirmation when you should enter. So you not enter too late or too early. Don't get me wrong. Now this is GBP/USD. Go to the weekly time frame. Okay, now take a look at this. The weekly time frame is showing us something like this. Showing us something like this. Now I've seen that it has hit the resistance. In the weekly is a whole week or 7 days, you understand me? Then you go to the daily, the same thing happened. Then you go to the 4 hours, sorry. I'll go to 4 hours and look for a trend. So you'll be looking for things that will give you more conferences to go into a sell opportunity. You understand me? You look for more conferences that will give you a sell opportunity. You be like, okay, this is when I need to enter a sell in the market, and this is not when I'm supposed to enter. You understand me? So don't look for short buys. If you want to buy in a selling opportunity, buy it short. And if you want to sell in a selling trend, in a downtrend, sell it very, very long. Let's check the same thing in NZD/USD. This is what you can check. It's a recurring pattern. This is not what this is what I figured out myself, you understand? This is not what I invented, it's what I figured out. And that is what it has. That is how it has been. So check the same thing again here. All these prices are just forming symmetrical triangles in the weekly time frame. Symmetrical triangle. This one just hit support in the weekly. Now we'll go to the daily. The same thing, symmetrical triangle, it just hits support. Go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame just created a double bottom. If you can take a look at this, just created a double bottom. Then if you go to the 30 minutes time frame, we will look for a buying opportunity to go forward in the trade. Now you can take a buy and take it as up as you want to take. It will definitely reach there. This is the resistance here. Let's just say you want to take a long right here. And you don't want it too much, you just want to take it this half. That is 134 pips. Mind you, if you are trading all these pairs, don't risk more than 20 pips. So you take it right here. It will definitely go up and it will hit it. It will hit it. It might not hit it in 1 day or 2 days, but it must definitely hit it. Like today now. Today is the 2nd of August and there is NFP news by 1:30 today. So it will definitely hit. It will definitely hit. So this is just a recurring pattern I just want to explain to you guys, so that you guys will not be deceived by all these forex traders that I want to take your money and give you courses that will not be of use to you. So mind you, these are recurring patterns that you should study and master, that will be of great benefit to you. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. In the next video, I'll be talking about the little concepts you need to check before you enter into a buy after the price has hit support or it has hit resistance. Because if you are hitting, let us say right here now, price hits resistance right here, and you see this thing and you be like, okay, you want to enter buy from here. The thing now comes down and hit your support and you now become liquidity. But if you know those little concepts, and you apply them, you will know that price have to drop a little bit down before it goes up. You will now avoid all these mistakes. You understand me? So with that being said, I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Tell me what you want. Ask questions in YouTube in the comment section on how you want. Ask questions on how you want the next video to be, the things that are getting you confused, and I'm going to explain it to you and put you through. Please guys, I need you guys to subscribe and like and comment to this YouTube channel video so that this video will reach more people that need to understand the forex market, and you will also be more profitable. So with that being said, thanks so much and see you in the next video.